government man keep calling my house, talking about I owe it, harassing my house, got all my stuff on another block, cause the subprime loan got my hands locked, got a couple good friends with helping hands, I need a brand new job with a healthcare plan, and close the plan. On my job, it don't crime, don't pay unless you ask the mom. So smoke a little rag, drink a little wine, chill a little time, everything good. I'm a little more behind, but being in the mind is always fine, it's fine. I better get by. I better get by. Oh, wow. Put your hands in the sky, you better get by. Sounding off to the break of dawn, got to keep the red paid and the power on. Yes, shout, and it never stops. I don't trust the government, I don't trust no cops. Yes, and my job and my social life, struggling with strife just to stay alive. I get by. Oh. I better get by. When I finally get home, I can't relax, cause I've been overworked and I've been overtaxed. My bank account busy, all my cars are maxed, and I ain't looking for the city, I'm taking back. I'm hoping for the change, kind of strange now, I got in my pocket. All the new LEDs, now I'm growing some trees. Sweet fucking hustle, don't knock it. No child tomorrow, I was breaking out for blue, my favorite girl, Melly. Smelling on my hands, look around in hands. Yes, my child is New Delhi. I get by. I better get by. I better get by. I better get by. People in the